Hi, my name's Rob.
And my name's Dawn.
And here's how to do a fishing video 101.
How do you pause this thing?
I think you push the button here. No, I think you.
What?
This? No, this.
Oh, okay.
Step 1, put this thing on that thing.
I don't think it's like that, Rob.
Well,
I think you get the bread, and I think you put
no,
it.
and then you catch that duck.
I think you put this on the little thingy, Rob. I don't think you properly know how to do this. You see, you have to take the thing and put it right on the thing. Rob, I'm having some difficulty doing this, Rob.
Well, I think you poked the hole through the bread, Don.
Oh, thanks, Rob. It's on my finger! It's on my finger! Oh, okay. Wait, I think you should do it.
It's fine, Don.
Alright, let's just move to the next.
the bucket and
Wait. Let's just go to the next step, okay?
Okay. Step 2, launch your thing. Now I'm gonna put all of my bites. Wait, $100 on
I think we should put the bread right there.
Yeah. Put the bread.
Okay.
A little piece. Cause you put a little piece on a little piece.
Now don't worry, guys. Doing this fishing sure is tricky, but if there's anybody who can do it, it's us, right, Rob?
That's right, Don. Now, I think you want to use the. I think you press this string down and then lift this up.
Whoa, guys! Whoa.
It's a fish, guys. Look, it's fish.
It's a fish.
Wait, I think this is a fish.
No,
That's the real fish.
It's a fish. So as you can see, my buddy Rob is gonna launch toward the fish. This is a weird fish. I mean, it's walking and yeah.
Oh.
You know what? I think we should use a practice fish to show the people.
Oh yeah, a practice fish.
So as you can see, make this thing loose.
Is
it loose? Oh, you gotta be kidding me, Rob. Oh no, Rob. All right. So is this thing loose? Loose? No, it's not. It's not loose. No. You have to put it, and you have to catch the fish. You got it! My finger! Okay.
Right, just put it on the duck.
Alright. Okay, as you can see, it's near our target. The fish. That's not where the... Yo! Rob, I think you got something.
Oh no, it's just another.
Aw, man!
It's a duck.
It's a duck. Yeah.
These
Stupid ducks. They're trying to steal our fish. The fish! It's the fish! The fish! The fish is getting away, Rob! Wait, it didn't work! The fish is going away, Rob! Wait, what are you doing with the duck? That's not a fish. It's just a duck. Stupid duck. This duck keeps getting all our fish.
Biting me.
Yeah, the duck is getting all our fish. What
I
the
don't know what
flip?
he did.
Oh, stupid duck.
Oh, he bleeding.
I hate ducks. Throw him in. Boo! Boo! Alright guys, well we failed to capture a fish and we just have this duck right here. We'll see you in our next video. please subscribe and like, and hopefully we get to 1 like. That would be great. My channel is in the link below. See you guys next time. Rob, say bye. Bye.